Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, children. Yes. So, children, as we discussed yesterday, yes, please do the mute. Please do the mute. So, yesterday we were discussing regarding the JEE, that is J double E. So, is it clear to you what is JEE?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, anyone can tell me what is JEE or J double E?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon. Joint.
Joint entrance exam.
Yes, joint entrance exam it is. For what purpose we are giving? Yes, why we need to give this exam?
Sir, what is the picture?
Yes,
Sir, what is the question?
JEE means I asked what is the full form. What is JEE means? Right? And why we need to give this JEE exam? Yes, why we have to do the JEE? For
Joint entrance exam.
it is a joint entrance exam for engineering means
Engineering, sir.
BE and for BTech.
BTech. BTech.
Yes or no? For BE or BTech. These are the courses. These are two courses to get an admission. To get an admission in BE for BTech, we have to give this JEE exam. So, by giving this exam, which exam? By giving this JEE, we can get the admission in IIT colleges. In which college?
IIT.
IIT.
Technology.
Yes, that is Indian Institutes of Technology. Yes. Now, children, the question: do you know how many IIT colleges are there in India or across the India?
Sir, more than 25.
Children, 23 colleges are there. How many are there? 23 IIT colleges are there. Where? Across the India. Means in Indian country. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, out of these 23, how many IIT colleges are there in Karnataka?
Two.
Only one is there. Only one IIT college is there in Karnataka state. Do you know which is that? Do you know name of that college or where it is? Where it is located? Where it is? It is in Dharwad. The IIT college, it is the first college where in Karnataka. This is the only one college in the Karnataka. Where it is? It is located in Dharwad. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, totally 23 colleges are there. IIT colleges are there in India. In those 23 colleges, one college it is located placed in Dharwad district. Yes, okay. So remaining they are in the different states, different state of the districts. Now Kanpur is there, Mumbai is there, Uttarakhand is there. Yes, in a different places they are called. The IIT colleges are there. Okay, so to get the admission in these 23 colleges, to get the admission in these 23 colleges, what we have to do? We have to give this exam. JEE exam or JEE exam we have to give. Right. In the JEE, again we are seeing these two exams. Which are those? One is JEE main
JEE advanced.
and JEE advanced exam. Yes, these two exams we are giving. One JEE main exam and JEE advanced exam. Right. So in this main exam, what we are learning, the whatever the portion, the syllabus is there, that we are studying here in the main exam. Then what is the exam or what is the portion? What is the syllabus? What is the content for this advanced? Here children, yes, some topics they will come from out of the syllabus. In the main exam, all the topics, all the portion will come. The curricular portion means curricular will come from what we are studying from that portion. But for the advanced, it gives the some topics. Only few topics they will ask out of the syllabus. Getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, children, even if you learn this JEE exam, if you are preparing for the JEE exam, see you are in the 8th standard now. Yes, if now only if you start for preparing for JEE, then it will help us. It will help us to crack that JEE exam after 12th standard. When we are giving this exam can give after 12th.
Well, sir.
Yes, after 12th, and that is also when you have done the science.
Yes.
Okay. But when we are preparing for this JEE exam, this JEE exam will help us again to crack, means again to write, it will help us to solve the other exam also. Which are those other exams? Now for example, see, NIT is there is National Institute of Technology, that exam will help us. Right? Next, NTSE exam is there. Do you know what is NTSE?
National Talent Search Examination.
Very good. National Talent Search Examination. If you are preparing for this, then it means, yes, it will help to crack this exam also.
Then after 10th.
Yes, after 10th it is. Right, but now only you are in the 8th standard. If you start preparing for JEE, so it will help to crack this exam. Compared to the JEE, this exam is not that much difficult. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Many Olympiad exams also are there. The mathematics Olympiad exam is there. The science Olympiad exam is there. Getting?
Yes, sir.
So it will help us to write, to solve, or to attempt those exams. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it is very useful. It is very useful to us to prepare for JEE exam. Yes, children.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
Yes, sir.
Even we will see the which are those remaining exams that we can appear, that again we can give for this.
Sir,
NDA beta, for NDA the portion, the syllabus is different. After 12th we can give that NDA. To give for the NDA even we have to complete that science, NDA we have to complete, but the portion, the syllabus is a bit different compared to this.
Okay, sir.
Yes, it is exam, okay, right? It is also competitive exam, right? But this exam, JEE to take the admission for BA or BTech, even this, by giving this exam, what we will get?
The
NTS.
scholarship.
Here it starts the scholarship to that student. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Next, MIT is there. Yes, it will help when you are preparing for these exams. It will help for other exams also, because what we are preparing here, what we are studying for the JEE, the same here also it will help to sit appear for these exams, and obviously definitely we will crack it. We will solve that exam easily.
It is not.
It's not audible.
Sir, audible.
Okay, better check. Yeah, for whom it is, please check your network better.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next what we are seeing, this is not children. Now you are in the 8th standard. Now what we are doing, we are taking the practice test every time after completion of your one topic, one lesson, one chapter. We will take the exam. Yes? Okay.
Yes.
So the exams, how we are taking the exams? First, we will take CT. What is CT? That is the after completion of one chapter. Then chapter test we will take.
Last test.
Yes, chapter test we will take. Next, we will take UT. That is
Unit test.
unit test we will take. Next, we will take ST.
Semester test.
This is here I am writing. It is chapter test. This is unit test.
Semester test.
This is section test we are saying. Here ST means
Semester test.
section test. Yes. And next we are taking, that is FLT. FLT means full length test we are taking. Means first we are completing your one chapter, and on that chapter we are taking the practice. Means we are taking the exam. Right?
Yes, sir.
Then we will complete your one unit. After completion of that unit, we are taking one exam. Then we are going for the sections are there.
Section test.
Then we are taking the section test, and then we are taking the last. We are taking the full length test. Means here whatever the 3 tests we are taking on which topic, on all those topics we are taking this exam. Understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now keep in mind that is CT, UT, ST and FLT. Yes? Okay. CT means?
Chapter test.
Yes. UT?
Unit test.
Yes. ST?
Section test.
Section test, and FLT, that is full length test we are conducting. Right? Now, even children, for yours, means for your purpose, for the 8th standard, and for the base, to make the good base, how we are taking the test. Here the question paper carries 15 questions. How many questions are there? questions are there. Means every time. When you are conducting the exam, we can ask only 15 questions. Out of these 15 questions, see here, out of these 15 questions, we are distributing the marks. Right? To attain these 15 questions, the duration is provided. That is 40 minutes. What is the duration? The duration is 40 minutes we are giving. So within the 40 minutes, we have to write the paper. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next. Now children, do you know what is competitive exam about? So what kind of questions we are asking here or how you have to be answered?
No, sir.
MCQ, sir.
Yes, we are saying it is MCQ question.
Q.
Yeah, otherwise we are saying
Question.
otherwise we are saying objectives we are saying.
Objective.
Yes, what is MCQ or objectives?
Objective is objective.
Means
Sir.
yes,
Sir,
means
it's the correct answer.
for one question we are giving four yes, that is multiple choice question. For one question we are giving four options. The four options we are giving, and in those four options you have to select one answer. Do you understand?
Sir, take the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Means we are saying pick the correct answer, or we are saying the shade the answer we are saying. Which is the correct one? Shade and circle it. Already it is encircled, and that circle we have to fill. We have to shade. Right? To shade that, we are giving one paper. Right? Which paper it is? One sheet we are providing. That is OMR it is. That OMR sheet we are providing for to attend those questions. Which answer is correct? That option we have to share in OMR sheet. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now children, in that exam, how many, the total 15 questions are there. Suppose out of those 15 questions, yes, please do the mute. Out of those 15 questions, the marks we are distributing. Marks we are distributing means how? Suppose out of these 15, 10 questions. Totally how many questions are there?
15.
Out of those 15 questions, the 10 questions are there. Those 10 questions, they are single correct answers we are saying. Single correct answers means?
1 mark.
Single correct answers means out of those four options, only one option is correct. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Out of those four options, only one option is correct, and each question carries.
1 mark.
Each question carries here 1 mark.
1 mark each.
Understood? It means 10 questions are there, then we will get 10 marks. Right?
How much will be the passing?
How much will be the?
Passing mark for practice.
Better here, the passing marks we are not giving. Why the passing marks we are not giving? See, for JEE main exam, see this is the base. The maximum exam we are taking here 50 marks, 49 marks, 60 marks, we are taking the maximum. Right? Means out of that how much we are getting? That we are checking. Yes. Okay. Here, these questions we are distributing. Out of those 15, maybe 10 questions they are having only one correct option. But some questions are there. The some questions, or maybe when we see you are in the 8th standard now, when we will appear for this NTSC exam or other competitive, other for scholarship exams, yes, when you are appearing for scholarship exam, then you will get the idea. What some questions they are having two options correct. Do you understand?
Sir.
Yes. There we are getting the correct two options are correct. So we are in the confusion mode. Which is the which for which question, which answer we have to shape. At that time, we will see the two answers, both answers are exactly correct or appropriately correct to that question. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Some questions, the some questions how will come? All the three options are correct. All the three options are correct, and fourth one they are saying all the above they are saying the option will come all the above or above or none of these they are saying. Means the whatever the three options are given they are not correct. None of these. There is no any correct answer on that. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, might be you have seen this kind of questions. Yes, children. Okay. So in your textbook, from the science, maybe in the maths, yes. After the lesson, after the chapter, after the unit, the MCQ questions maybe they are asking. The MCQ questions. Now MCQ question means what? See. Now for example, one question we will take it. The smallest prime number is. The smallest prime number is the options are. Right? The options are given. That is 1, that is 3, that is 2, and 0. Right? Now from these four, we have to select the one outcome. Yes? No, what is 2? Okay, we'll do one thing. We will change here. Okay. A, B, C, D. Okay. In this A, B, C, D, which is the correct option?
C.
This is the correct option?
Sir, C.
Yes. The option C is the correct option. So to this C in the OMR sheet, what we are doing? We are shading. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here only one correct option is there. Single correct option we are saying. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now here one more question we will see. Okay. Now who will answer? We will check.
Sir, we can't see full board.
You can't see? You are not seeing?
Sir, you can see.
Okay. Tell me the answer. Yes?
B and D. Option B and D.
Option B and option. Yes, the option B and D, the answer of this question. Here, how many correct options are there?
Sir,
Two.
Yes, the two correct options. Sometimes the question will come, the question will arise in the exam.
yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now again the question. Now see here, the question again how it will come regarding the maths only we will see. Yes, please do the mute. Huh. Which
Sir,
is
not it.
yes?
Sir, not it.
Yes.
Sir, not it.
The option none of these is the correct answer.
None of these.
Yes, because the whole number is minus 1 is a whole number. Minus 1 is a whole number.
Sir, it can be -1 or +1.
Minus 1 or
+1.
plus 1 is not a whole number.
+1 is a
No, sir.
Plus 1 is not a whole number. Children, the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, infinity. These all are the whole numbers. In the whole number, the 0 also is there. So along with the 0, the countable numbers we are saying. Along with the 0, the natural numbers are all are whole numbers. But here -1, -2, -3 is there. These all these three are not a whole number. So answer we are saying none of these. Here in these three options, the answer, all answers are wrong. Here all the answers are incorrect. Understood? Understood? Yes. Who is that? Please do the mute. After giving answer, please do the mute. Okay. Huh. Now next. Now next see children, what we will see, the options we have seen, how the exam will be, the options are given. Right. Now next we will see the main exam and the advanced exam we have seen. What we will learn from the main and advanced exam. In the main exam the curriculum will come, what in which class we are learning that. In the advanced, only the few topics are out of the syllabus. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now next children, after 12th we are giving this exam. Which exam? The JEE exam. Mains. After 12th we are giving JEE main exam. So in the 12th standard children, we have to score 75% or more than 75%.
Yes, sir.
How much percentage you have to do there? 75% or more than 75%. If your percentage is 74.99, you are not eligible for this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Okay. Next one more thing is
Yes,
what?
sir.
Yeah. One more thing is what here. When we are giving this JEE exam, from the JEE exam, we can get the seat for BE or BTech. Yes, we will get admission for BE or BTech college. Yes or no? So you may ask now, what? Sir, which one is good here now?
BTech, sir.
Why BTech better?
Sir, because I want to be in that field, sir.
Want to?
Sir, I want to do that field, sir.
Yes. Okay, very good it is. You want to, you are interested into, means you are interested to do BTech, right? It is. But to get the admission in both the courses, only one exam you have to give. JEE or means after giving the JEE, you will get the admission for BE or BTech. So you are selecting BTech. Why you are selecting BTech? What do you think about this? Why you are selecting? Why not BE?
Technology, sir.
Yes.
I am interested in technology.
Then what is BE?
Sir, don't know.
Now here engineering thing we are saying BE, that is engineering, and here E, that stands for technology, right? Now children, for BTech compared with these two, what is the difference? The difference is that for the BTech we are getting a more opportunities, job opportunities we are getting. For the BTech, we are getting more job opportunities we are getting for the BTech. And here, children, the difference between the BE and BTech is there we are learning theoretically part we are learning more. We are learning more theoretical part, means only theory we are studying, right? But which is important? Theoretical is important or practical is important?
Practical.
Practical is important. Why? Because the concept will clear. In the practical, we can do the demonstrations. By doing the demonstrations, we can clear the concept. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now, now, how we are giving this JEE exam? Even one more exam we are giving, that is NEET. Yes, this is for BA or BTech, and this exam we are giving for
Yes, sir.
MBBS. Right? In this MBBS, someone asked the question, what is that? Today we should give? Okay. Here children, the MBBS we will get the admission for MBBS, or we are seeing B, D, yes we are saying. Yes, means it is dentist for the dental course. Getting?
Yes, sir.
But here for the JEE, the subjects, those are P, C, M, and here, yes,
Physics, chemistry, mathematics.
physics, chemistry, and mathematics, and here it is,
Physics, chemistry, biology.
yes, here one subject, here maths is there, here biology is there. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now here someone asked me the question, that is, so which is the better? Which is the better means JEE main exam is better or JEE advanced exam is better? Better JEE advanced exam.
NCTT advance is hard.
Yes, it is hard means, but better by giving the JEE advanced exam, the topmost IIT colleges which are there in India, for those we can select. In those colleges we can select by giving this JEE advanced exam. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Compared to main exam, advanced exam is hard one. Yes, right it is. Right? Even the competitors are also less because it is hard. And only the selected colleges. In the selected colleges, those children, those students who are giving the advanced exam, they will get the admission there. Getting children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any difficulties?
Sir, today we should give correction the book.
The notification sent to you, no? The timing also is given.
Sir, what is PCMB, sir?
PCMB, physics, chemistry, math, and biology. These are all the four subjects children we are learning in the 12th standard. All the four subjects we are learning. Getting?
Yes, sir.
But for that exam, for JEE or for NEET, yes, if you are interested in these subjects, then we can give the JEE exam, and if you are interested, then we can give, means you get a good marks in these three subjects, we can give the JEE, and if you are good in physics, chemistry, and biology, then we can give NEET. By giving this exam, you will get the admission for, means seat for in the IIT college of BE or for BTech, and here MBBS, BDS, even others are also there in the medical field. In those colleges, you will get the admission. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it is time up. Again, we will continue in the next class. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. If you have any difficulties, if you have any queries, if you have any difficulties, if you have any queries, you may ask. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.